What's up everyone, Coach Ryan, Coach Paul here, Resilient Training Lab. Today we're going to run through some push-up variations that you can do at home, running from sort of easier versions to harder versions of push-ups so you can challenge yourself wherever you're at. So for our first version, Paul's going to do an incline push-up. His hands are elevated, and we can scale this by elevating higher and higher. So you can go all the way up to the walls. So if you lean against the wall, lean against the countertop, lean against the table, doesn't matter. So Paul's going to do a few push-ups. His hands are about the width of his bench press, and so he's going to bring himself down to the surface, all the way back up. Looks good. So that's a way for you to get a push-up in if push-ups from the ground are going to be a little bit too challenging for you for the rep ranges that are in your home workouts, right? If you have to do 10 push-ups in a home workout, you might be able to do 5 off the ground, but we do want to be able to get to 10. So in order to hit the rep ranges that you're prescribed, adjust your push-up variation. So Paul's going to head into a push-up from the knees now. So he's on the ground, right? His knees all the way up to his shoulders are a straight line. He doesn't have his butt sticking out way behind him. Same thing with his hands about the width of his bench press. He's going to go ahead and lower himself down to the ground, bring himself back up. So again, this is a great push-up variation where we can adjust to our ability level. And if we need to move this one even farther forward to make it harder, he's just going to pop his knees up off the ground and do his traditional push-up. Again, looks great. Straight line from his heels all the way up to his head. Very nice. So what do we got now? Yoga push-up?
Grips.
What's it?
Different grip.
Okay, yeah. So we can do different grips in our push-up. So we have close grip push-ups. These are going to be a little bit more challenging. So his hands are definitely narrower than his bench press. This is a lot more like his close grip bench press, hence close grip push-up. It's going to make you use a lot more of your triceps, which makes it harder. We can go wide grip push-ups, so we're exaggerating how wide our hands go. Again, it's going to make it even harder. And we can get really fancy and do some archer push-ups. So along with that, relatively wide grip. Yeah, you're going to watch him shift his body weight. So he's got one hand down on the ground, one hand pointed out to the side, and he's really exaggerating how much he's pushing on that left side. And you can do that either way. There we go. He's going to give us a nice demo and switch sides. So again, he's exaggerating how much he's pushing with his right hand when his left hand is out to the side. We can scale these even more. What do we got now?
Yoga.
Yeah, we could do yoga push-ups. These are actually a little bit easier, but it's going to be more like an overhead press. So he's doing his regular push-up and then driving his hips up and back instead of just up. So he's kind of pushing into that pike position. And then